Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for excellent quality, cute stickers but aren't willing to pay $20 like me, then keep watching. Alright, so you'll need either a sheet of paper to draw on or a sheet of printed designs. I looked up Redbubble stickers on Google and copied the ones that I liked onto a Word document. You'll also need a pen, scissors, and a smooth surface such as parchment paper. I'd recommend printer paper because it will rip, but Ziploc bags and wax paper do work. I forgot to include it in here, but also make sure to have a thicker tape such as packing tape. And if you are choosing to draw your stickers, then here are a few little doodles for inspo. I'll be using printed ones this time. Carefully cut out the stickers. You can cut out a square or around your shape. With your parchment paper or whatever else you're using, press down a piece of tape. On top of that, place a sticker and layer on one more piece of tape. Lastly, cut out the stickers, leaving a little bit of a border with the tape. Here are the stickers I made. I think they look really nice, and all you need to do is peel off the paper backing. So that's all for today's video. I hope this was helpful and easy to follow. As always, you can leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night.
and visualize seeing yourself as
Yeah, I would visualize.
this is when you were broke and poor.